Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the curtain.
What's good, love buds? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'm getting in straight to it. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did these jumbo crochet twists. That's lyric. It's super easy. They last, you know, if you're bomb at doing hair, I'm pretty sure it'll last longer than mine. But so far I've had it for like a week now and they still look pretty good. I know like where I messed up at, like instead of braiding my hair before, I should just leave the hair out. So I would suggest that because it can blend more with the twist. But after I put them in, I'm like, I'm not about to take them out and then take those braids out and then do it again. So it's like, next time I learned. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you continue watching. Make sure you like the video if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know what I can do for you. And if you aren't, make sure you subscribe because we lit. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a post. Now let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you do is you're going to take your closed hook and you're going to hook it through your braid or like little ponytail that you have, and then you're going to just let it sit there. You're going to take your hair and the section where it's open at, you're going to twist it so that you get a cleaner look, and it's also easier putting it on the hook because it gets messy if not. You put it on the hook and then you're just going to slide it through. The hook automatically closes when you put it through, so you don't have to, but for me, I do it just to be cautious. And then after you finish that, you see you have your hole. You're going to take your braid that you had from your hair as well as the twist, and you're going to put it right on through that hole and then pull. So now we're going to start blending, and all you're going to do is take your braid and just start twisting as if you're doing a 2-strand twist on your hair. That's the only way I could tell you how to do it. Literally twist as if it was your hair. In case you missed it the first time, here it is one more time.
And this is the finished product. Is it perfect? No. But if you're really great at hair, it's gonna come out bomb and last you for a long time.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what other videos like this you like to see, what styles I can try next. Just let me know. If you aren't already, by the end of this video, you know, you should have already been subscribed. But if you aren't, go ahead and hit the notification bell too while you're there. You're done? Cool. Now, I'm out.
And Ray gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.